Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit crow preset using Lightroom Mobile. This is gonna be very easy, very simple, even if you are new to Lightroom Mobile. Still you can achieve this using this short simple step. Before we continue, please download and install the app. I'll put a link in the description box. I'm Tatiana from Modern Filter, and without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to Optics and set the Remove Chromatic Aberration and Lens Profile Correction. Then, go to Light and set Exposure to 0.5. Contrast to 60. Highlight to 20. Shadows to -10. Whites to -100. Black to 40. Then, go to Curve and copy this setting. Done. Let's move to color. Change vibrance to -26. Change saturation to -30. Then, go to Color Mix. Adjust red saturation to 16. And red luminance to -10. On orange color, change orange hue to -10. And orange saturation to 10. On yellow color, set the yellow hue to -100. And saturation to also -100. On green color, change green saturation to -100. On cyan color, adjust hue to 100. And saturation to -100. On blue color, adjust blue saturation to -100. On purple color, adjust purple saturation to -100. On magenta color, adjust saturation to -100. Okay, done. Let's go to Effects. change texture to 10. Clarity to 20. And 𝑑𝑒𝑗 to 40. Then, on split tone, set highlight hue to 210 and highlight saturation to 5. Then, set shadow hue to 220 and shadow saturation to 10. Lastly, on details, set noise reduction to 20. It's done. Congratulations, you have acquired 𝑐𝑟𝑒 preset. Now you can copy this setting and paste to your other photos. If you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and bang the bell button so that I can notify you for new updates. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.